The largest single day loss for the United States. What's going on with Nvidia and with the crypto market? You wanna know everything? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max, with your host for the most, Rodrigo Arnedo. So I'm telling you, yesterday Nvidia lost nearly 600 billion in market cap, marking the largest single day loss in United States history. That was terrible. You can see the gap we have in the 4-hour chart for Nvidia, and it seems that today it wants to recover. We told you everything yesterday about this, about DeepSeek, of course, and you can see how we went all the way down. It's a 10% since the maximum in 109, and we went all the way down to 97,753. There we recovered, and we recovered for good, that we are above 100K again, and right now we sit in 102K for one Bitcoin. The stock market ended in the rise, as you can see here, and that's why cryptocurrencies went up. China is not trading today. We have the the new year in China, and it seems that is not the narrative this time. It was in the past. We talk a lot about this. It seems it's not affecting the market. I have to research about this. Japan started okay, then it went down, and gold just flat when Bitcoin was going up. In the last hour, we're going down again. And I told you again everything yesterday. You have to watch this DeepSeek video where I explain everything about it. Today, Nvidia recovering, and you can see the whole picture for Nvidia and decide if you think that Nvidia is in trouble or not. Because you can see we are being in this trend for a long time. We're going up for a long time, even though yesterday we dropped. You can see, well, how long can an asset keep on rising like this? And it might be interesting to have some thoughts about the idea of buying an asset that is going to all-time high after all-time high after all-time high. Maybe this is a very good strategy when you find an asset that is rising like this one. But remember that you never know once an asset is in price discovery when it is going to have one of these crazy corrections. Maybe we are now having a new one, or even when it is the beginning of the end and the asset is going to go south. So always, this is a very risky business. We knew that the stock market was going down. We knew that the Nasdaq was going down. And we told you in yesterday's video that we have to find the resilient assets. And those in this cycle seems to be, at least right now, Apple, Meta, and Amazon. Those were the ones that ended in the positive, even though Nvidia was going down. Those are not straight related with AI, so probably that's why. Sam Altman has no choice but went out there and said that, well, DeepSeek, it's okay, and that they are going to release some updates to ChatGPT. They are going to do good stuff so that, well, that may help the stock to recover. DeepSeek, that I told you, those were amazing, but they had no pictures. Well, they have pictures already. As you can see here, you can attach it just as you do with ChatGPT. So we have the fight between China and United States. We have TikTok. Now Donald Trump saying that Microsoft might buy TikTok, not Elon Musk. Also, now you can see the fight between OpenAI and DeepSeek, and Donald Trump saying allegedly that he could ban DeepSeek. Probably that's not true whatsoever, but it's interesting everything that's happening with all this. On the one hand, some people said the good stuff is that the name of DeepSeek is crazy good. So we have to invest in names that are really, really good, like DeepSeek, that can mean so many things, like sick, like crazy, like so crazy good, and also at the same time, like you dig deeper. So yeah, it's a very, very nice one. Now probably we're going to see some fight about the names. ChatGPT is not really a very nice name. So now we'll see creativity with names out there. And here we have footage of this guy that realized that he spent 2,500 euros on ChatGPT when he could just save that money, buy some crypto, because DeepSeek is free. We have so many things to talk about DeepSeek. One that I remember comes to mind is that some don't believe even that this is true. I mean, like they are saying that, well, they spent just $6 million, but that might be true or maybe not. Remember that we can be fooled very easily. Some other people say that we are not realizing that they actually use NVIDIA GPUs in order to create this. So they are buying the machines from NVIDIA and so many other things interesting out there. Like, for example, that, well, your data is being collected unless you run locally DeepSeek, your own machines. But here, well, we have two different thoughts. One is that, well, who doesn't? I mean, like, well, probably ChatGPT is also taking all your data. So, well, maybe you prefer United States to collecting your data than Chinese government. But, well, the one that is free of sin, send, launched the first stone. And, well, on the other hand, this comeback, we can say, that they're trying to do with this. It's like, okay, maybe DeepSeek is really, really better. TikTok is better, but those are Chinese, so you shouldn't use them. So you can see how United States used to be number one in everything, and now China is becoming number one on these things, and then they don't like it. So they are trying to scare you with all this information about government, etc. Cristiano told me on a comment below, thank you for all your comments, even people that say hello, thank you for your likes. We don't want a Chinese Bitcoin. Well, they tried, but it's very difficult to have that. Also, Juan Pascual told me that we have to wait, of course, to see if this DeepSeek is true, if they are so smart to create this with so little, maybe it's a lie, and also the comeback that Sam Altman and some other might have. And here Antonio Pompliano told us another very interesting thing, which is that we need development and we need adoption. And the better the technology, the more adoption we have. So in the end, it is a very good thing that we have a better model, a cheaper model that people is going to use even for free. It's open source and all that. That's good for the technology and that's good for adoption. If people adopt the technology, the sphere as a whole is going to rise, and that's a good thing. Matt Wolf again saying they're using NVIDIA GPUs. And changing gears now, the real reason why the market dropped, is because of Jim Cramer. He said that we were going to have a bloodbath. That's why we recovered. Now we have information. He says that Bitcoin is okay, so maybe be ready for a next drop. Also, probably the truth about the rise is that, Donald Trump said to Congress people that he wants to abolish the income tax in United States. This is huge, and this can be very good for United States, maybe emulating the best moment for United States economy in history. And well, this is just something that you can have if you come to Dubai and live with me. Leave a comment below, fanontheright@gmail.com. I will tell you the company I use for coming here, and if you need some advice, I can provide. The people from Spain coming into Dubai is growing and growing, and that's because we don't have that tax, and it's perfect. We don't need it. Why? Because everything works so good here. The country is making so much money that they don't need to steal it from you. That's the truth of taxes, in my opinion, as we use them right now. So maybe in United States, they are just going to use the same model that they see that it's working here. Eric Trump also reportedly confirmed that some US-based crypto projects will soon benefit from zero capital gains tax, while non-US-based projects will face 30% capital gains tax. So abolishing tax is a very, very huge thing now. If we go to CoinGecko, you can see Hyperliquid and Sui. I told you yesterday that might be a very good opportunity for buying those. Also, KuCoin on the rise. We're going to tell you everything about this. Official Trump also going up. And you can see this made in US and World Liberty Financial Portfolio that going up because of these tax speculations that we might have coming to fruition. Trump-backed World Liberty Financial bought another 3,247 Ethereum worth 10 millions at the dip. And myself, in an exercise of truth and at the same time incoherence, I bought some of this WLFY token. I did it, and I wanna ask for your forgiveness. I am doing the same things I did in the last cycle, and I need help. I need a doctor. Well, I'm laughing about it, but I think I started to feel the same things I felt in 2017, which is okay because it seems we're going to go high and high. But at the same time, I'm investing in projects that I don't even want to. It's like when I drink a beer, sometimes I want to drink that beer, but sometimes I'm asking myself what I am drinking this beer. So right now I am buying tokens that I don't understand why, because I created a dedicated video telling you why you shouldn't, why I wouldn't buy it even with your money. Watch it if you want to avoid the mistake I did. If not, you still have tokens remaining. So, well, let me know in the comments below what are you going to do. Thing is, again, that I'm feeling things I felt in 2017. Probably yesterday you was feeling like myself. Everything is going down. We are going to lose everything. And now today we are like this guy asking please for one more dip. Because yesterday I didn't bought Hyperliquid, I didn't bought Sui. I thought about it, but I didn't do it. Probably I should have bought more Trump token as I did a terrible investment there. So yeah, one day you think everything's going to go down, the other day you think everything's going to go to the stars. And I want to tell myself, Rodri, remember, you are not a speculator. You don't want to buy tokens. It's okay. Even if they are going to do 100x, you don't want to buy them. You just want Ethereum. You just want Bitcoin. Repeat, I just want Ethereum. I just want Bitcoin. And do buy these BSs. Bitcoin back on track that we drew yesterday. So we might start our nice cycle of rising for everything. Trump is up, Hype's up, KuCoin, as I was telling you, SAP. And of course, I lost this opportunity, but it was there. DeepSeek, the token in Solana, of course, is rising like crazy. It will dump. Now it's going up. DeepSeek up and down. Oh, already down as Trump was up and down. So again, I wish you see there are opportunities, but those opportunities are so crazy risky. Be careful out there. Maybe my Tron token would be okay. I went to this website I told you about, marketcapproof.com. You have the link in the description below. Remember to smash the like button. Now you are there in the description. And I compare the market cap of WLFY with Dogecoin now. And if you buy one, well, you're going to have this crazy amount of rise. I bought 40,000. So my $2,000 investment would make a 10x there. That would be 2,000 or $13. We'll see about that. Maybe I will lose everything, of course, but Donald Trump is making me feel crazy. You can see that even his face is turning, in my opinion, into Pepe. Pepe the meme. I need those headsets to stop listening to all the FOMO things out there. The world is crazy because of Donald Trump. People out there trying to take the opportunity, like Selena Gomez crying. Nobody believed her yesterday, but I think that probably we will have the token of Selena Gomez. Crazy, crazy world we are living out there, and it seems that people are starting to awaken. And we trust no government anymore. We trust no social media anymore. We trust no famous people crying on social media anymore, which is sad. We just want to have fun like Donald Trump doing the Chiquito. If you want to listen to this, go to the Spanish version of this video. Tomorrow, we're going to have decision on the Fed, and probably we are rising because they are cutting again. If they don't, we might have a crash tomorrow of the stock market and Bitcoin and everything. Watch tomorrow's video. And I have more good news today. It's not just that are speculating and want to make money with this. Grayscale filed for a Litecoin spot ETF, and CBOE filing for an in-kind ETFs of Bitcoin. Remember that Gary Gensler, he would just allow us with cash. Well, now they want in-cash ETFs. That's huge. And I think it's huge also, in my opinion, that KuCoin pled guilty to operating a licensed business. They paid $300 million in fines, and now they're good to go in United States. So that might seem a bad thing. I believe, as I told you, that companies in United States are trying to go into the clear. Binance is there already, and now KuCoin, we're getting ready for retail. And we're still waiting for Elon Musk with X, the app for everything. Remember, he wants to be your bank. He's going to put cryptocurrencies on that bank. And retail is almost completely out. Large investors are buying more. We all know what this means. When retail comes is when we are going to see Bitcoin going crazy high. Consider that the total crypto market saw a 19% correction in January, mirroring early 2024. History repeating? I believe so. If that's the case, we're going to go around $9 trillion for the crypto market. And remember that February is the acceleration phase, mostly always in cycles of Bitcoin. We told you yesterday, watch yesterday videos if you want more technical analysis. Ethereum is recovering as the market is. Solana is up 6%. Now we know that 94% of all meme coin volume is, in Solana. Crazy, crazy stuff. Solana now, the cryptocurrencies for meme coins. And I had this good piece of information about basic attention token. You know, Brave browser, the one I use, is the best. You have to use it because there's no reason why not using it, and so many good reasons for using it. And now they have a roadmap. They want to make BAT great again. Hopefully so. They have all these ideas in order to make BAT token useful, and they might make the token go up. Right now it's going down, and I even see a terrible pattern because this might be a shoulders and head pattern. If that's the case, we are going to go down for good. So what do you think? Should I sell my BAT token, or should you sell Brave browser and get some of those tokens? I believe that's the case, so that in the future we might buy one of these cars with stupid themes out there, like this one of SpongeBob. I'm loving it, as I'm loving this cat, just crazy because of the market conditions. That's a wrap for today. More tomorrow here on Rodrigo Ornedo, Noticias Bitcoin, health, money, love, freedom, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!